Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Brian Kelly here. Hey, you know what? I am super excited because you know what? A few days ago, I made a video about these two flyer programs, the Cash Millionaire and the 10 times 3 flyer programs. Okay. And I posted it, and the response I have gotten has been simply overwhelming. Okay, the view I've gotten like over 200 views of this other particular video, and my email has been blowing up. Okay, people are joining this program like crazy. Okay, and the reason why is because it's so freaking simple. Okay, we're talking putting, it's a flyer program. The program on my left here is the Cash Millionaire. You're going to pay one time $23 to get involved in that program for this particular video here. And on the right, the 10 times 3, you're going to pay what, $30 to get in that one time only. And that's the reason why everyone's viewing this video, everyone's downloading this video. I mean, downloading this the flyer that I sent to them. I sent it to you in a PDF format. Okay, so basically, what I have done is people have followed the instructions here. They sent me an email, and then I would turn around and send the PDF of these two flyers as well as my cover letter to them, and they've been signing up. And without hesitation, both programs. I mean, you can sign up for one, but most people are going with both of these programs because the simplicity and it actually works. And the owner of this program, he's been around for like decades. This guy's like a legend in the network marketing type business, flyer business, and very high credibility, a lot of integrity. So I don't have a problem with him at all. He's a person that he does what he says he's going to do. So that's a pretty good thing. I've done my research on him, and he's a good guy. So you don't have to worry about someone taking your money, whatever. Nothing crazy like that. That's not going to happen. And I'm getting money in the mail already from these programs. Okay, all right. And so if you are interested in this, I'm telling you. I mean, I have my top secret program that's going extremely well. I'm getting, as a matter of fact, I just called someone this morning, and they got $140, and I'm pretty excited about that. But you can do that along with this program here. I mean, it's like super cheap to get involved, and the payout is just unbelievable. And like I told you before, what really got me going on this program was when I read it a couple times, and the light bulb went on when I realized that once you get this thing in motion, a couple levels deep, what's going to happen is over a very short period of time, okay, your name is going to be on thousands and thousands of these flyers. And people from all over the United States are going to be sending you money directly to your mailbox. You don't even know these people, okay? But the way this system works is that's the way it's going to be. And once your name gets on these flyers, man, it's like impossible to get off, So this is like the most cool thing I've ever seen. And again, it's really cheap. The one on the left is, for this flyer here is $23. One on the right here is $30. So we're talking like $50 for both of them. That's not a bad thing. And so again, I mean, your name's going to be on, and think about it is once a person gets this flyer with your name on it, okay, you're going to get paid. You're going to actually get paid. You're going to go to your mailbox. You're going to be receiving, $10 bills. You're going to be receiving $2, payments and so forth. And this stuff can happen like on a daily basis. This thing is super powerful. Do not underestimate this thing. I'm telling you guys, the old adage how would a penny double every day for 30 days, that adds up really, really quickly. And when you put this in, the context, and you do what you're supposed to do, and you just simply share this thing. I mean, anyone with half a brain would look at this thing, read it a couple of times. I tell people all the time, don't just read it and throw it away. No, read it. Sit down, take some time out of your schedule. You got 24 hours a day. Take 10 minutes and read this thing a couple of times, and just really try to your best to comprehend what it's saying, okay? And then if you have friends, if you have family, I don't know, I don't care how you do this, but just get the word out. Let someone read this thing, okay? Let them read it and let them, you know, understand it and comprehend it. And if they do that, okay, you don't need a ton of people to do this. You really don't, okay, because this adds up. 4 months down the road, or even 4 weeks down the road, okay, you're doing this program. I'm not saying you're going to get rich overnight. I'm not saying that. I'm not even going to say you're going to get rich at all, okay. If you do nothing, then of course you're not going to make any money. But if you simply follow the rules and just distribute this thing, via, you can email it, you can print it off and hand it to people, or you can, for the top secret program, right? I give you all these leads. All you have to do is just mail it to the leads, or, I give you email addresses. Okay, email this thing to people. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram, just post this thing and tell people, look, if you want more information, email me and I'll send it to you via email. I'll send you in a PDF file. And here's a great thing. Now, yeah, you can send both of these things out. That's cool. That's fine. But what really takes it over the top is the cover letter. Okay. When you send programs out, I think it's essential that you have a cover letter with it that kind of explains it, a little bit in detail. But not only that, but it's more of a motivational thing. And I've written a really good cover letter that goes along with this in the PDF that you will receive from me. And it's written in such a way that really kind of pushes a person over the edge. I mean, it really does. Not a guilt trip or anything like that at all, but it's really, I really know how to sell. I'm very good at that. And so it really helps a person move along. And what I'd like for you to do once you decide to get involved, I want you to use that same cover letter. Just make a few adjustments. That's, to make it personalized to you. But when you take these two flyers in conjunction with that cover letter that I'm going to send to you when you respond to this video here, I'm telling you, man, that's an awesome combination. Once a person reads that cover letter and then reads these two flyers, they're in there. They are straight up in there, and they will definitely join this program. And if your name is on that flyer, guess what? You are going to get paid over and over again. And what I recommend you do once you get a person signed up, tell them, make sure that they use that cover letter, and then that person use it. So you go on and on, and before you know it, you have thousands of people who are using this cover letter along with their personalized flyer. And you're going to have, again, thousands and thousands of people around the United States of America sending you money to your mailbox. And the reason why is because your name is on one of these or both of these flyers. And in order for them to get involved in the program, guess what? They have to send you the money. Okay? I mean, it does not get simpler than this. I make a lot of videos, but and I'm really I'm not begging you to join. I'm not saying that, but I mean, people have opportunities every day and they pass up opportunities every day. And some of those opportunities are, cost thousands of dollars. This does not. This costs what for both of them? Like a little over $50, so $53. I mean, really? $53? That's a freaking movie and lunch at Wendy's. You know what I mean? Do what you got to do, man, but just get involved in this program. Again, I'm not going to beg you, but this is the real deal. If you are interested, if you are already in top secret, I want you to go ahead and join, because this is something that you can take, the money you can take and, add for your, offset the cost of your postage, your your postage stamps, your postcards, all kind of things. But or you can use it as a standalone. Okay. This is something that, your name will be on these flyers for years, probably more than likely for years. And you can't get your name off there once it's on there. It just goes over and over again, and that money keeps coming to you, to your mailbox, over and over and over and over again. It's just sickening. It's sickening. It's sickening, but in a good way. So I've said enough. If you want to get these two flyers along with the cover letter I mentioned, send me an email to that email address, bdkelly101@yahoo.com. Put success in the heading of the email. That way I know it's, I get lots of email all day, every day, and I want to make sure that I differentiate the junk stuff from the real stuff, which is the stuff that the email you're sending me. Once you send me an email, I'll turn around and I'll send you these two flyers as well as a cover letter in a PDF format. All you have to do is open up the PDF, read it, and then print it off. If you don't have a printer, send it to a friend or send it to Office Max or whatever. They can print it off for you, and then simply read the flyer a couple of times. It's really self-explanatory, very easy, very simple. Read it and then follow the instructions and take action. That's all you have to do. As simple as that. Okay? With that being said, I will chat with you guys later. Hopefully I can do another video later on today or tomorrow. And I'm just excited this morning. So have a good day. Talk to y'all later. Bye.